hard. Because I am the king.
Ready? I'm ready. This is my national flag. I'm proud of it. And I'm proud of Africa.
Sompa FM. Sompa Sports.
I said it after we lost it against Sevilla and Basel and in Kiev and these kind of things. It's not bad to.
Right, Ebrasian Susan be a sing Konyana Jumadia. Yatuni this a shootout or Sompa 93.1 FM live on Facebook. Sompa 93.1 like na share. Wadin Trebia de to ebeji Brebek and Kandiamao. Eya Sembisa, Yebe Yano Edama Yay. And some years sing Konya Ebe Pen Puma Sibre. Edun Komo Eye Ghana. Ye Football Awards for 2023 no. Nominees no abana infone meki. The shortlist ye don't sem Eddie Ebebe Nwachino and some pure bad power Premier League. The last run of matches no ye be dun koma out one year Ramo Division 1. Near Tanobo for after qualification to the Premier League in the free ball for Kwaswe, but when in Sambia suffered it, and now we are seeing Konya Diba down, shootout Jumadi Sumidin, Edilu Tekin, Sasuna Betty Jeffrey, Asari the Apostle, Michael Asari, the Mickey Nona Michael, Akumia the Sports Messiah, Obeto Monkako Productioner, Yawo Nas, and Ricardo Varas, Omino Ama Prince, Boy Jumadiano Sasso, and Buzi, MC, Sasso Buffalo. Oboyi mo nyina o mo boa me adwumadie e de ababe dan adwuma ko bia daroma e ne drawia sombo ye chidom e me adwumadie e ba ne de ababe dan na bibia eso aye kama e African origin travel and sports tourism Africa origin travels and sports tourism Morocco no omo ebo ye chidom amyako on senche na African under 23 championship na Airbus wine and represent Africa Olympic Games ebetojo Paris and no African origin travels and sports tourism esa brabetua 5,000 Ghana cedis na oni enkomo jo visa asan aboa mababia beda eni bibia so akwe ediama no mo se de obeyenie packages no emu ede emu otwam visa application support omoboa visa fee accommodation transportation flight achesebe boama eba Africa under 23 tournament beto dwa Morocco no manyina koye diama no na bia so ayekama enu akiro pese utukwan ekopiem Colombia anase Nicaragua Open United Kingdom France Germany Italy and Spain enu akiro pese ukoto ewo Belize anase opese utukwan from 20th June 15th July 2023 ninyina Africa origin travels and sports tourism o madar mom du tukwan ama no manyina atima kwe ediama o msi di obehia no say ube secure o package ube deposit 5,000 Ghana cedis na se visa ne ba na se bia koya na watua de aka nyina ma bia so aye kama requirement no eno say o passport ebeba o birth certificate and o Ghana card na de aba frɛ 0302 766 766 0544 322112 0544 34702 and 0544 34703 0540 124387 African origin travels and sports tourism found pomo akwanto de ombem na yemre ayakono ediama Schengen visa ni nyina so ombeji edi ama enu achi no mepacho ensempi ene de ebro enawe shootout adwumadi no so na aduane papa de say fried rice and jollof rice MP fast food enu ye manabel was say a program bia no ode ho ebebo na obeboa ama wonya air fried rice papa jollof rice ubenya papa di ama bia so eye ediama no say wedding a naming ceremony outdooring ye sa so eda wo adwumam workshop ena mo ya ni nyina no MD fast food omo jollof ne de akono na ede emo ne ben fried rice ewusie ni namu MD fast food fan kobo mo no mo branches bebre okumase ba ko also am ombe Ghana Commercial Bank tafo omne scoreboard pub ene de nhwe ena piem so okronoma omne kronum barrier ene de nhwe frɛ MD fast food and Manabel fast food 0249 030830 0249 030830 ofre na obejo so bibia aye kama enu achi no enwoma sua de ye nim de wanya bidia watwaja wadwo wabrabo no ebe si one time enu ena global ICM and OTHM qualification ese brana beji nwumasua beji nimde na omo ya accredited by Office of the Qualification and Examination and Regulations and abua amanoma nyina ekoyi na omo si brebe piem master's degree level 7 diploma obom wamba bua amasa qualification certificate no onsa kan eba master's degree level 7 diploma ho na betry accounting and business omo occupation health and safety management logistics and supply chain management and education management and leadership omo bachelor's degree or level 6 diploma and your accounting and finance omo business management studies information technology health and safety management project management omo higher national diploma and your HND level 5 diploma obeye business studies computer science and cyber security human resource development journalism and media studies project management and a university diploma or level 4 diploma programs and your business administration office management, education and training management, health and social care. Na entry requirements no so be so ko na ko ginu dia obetimi aba as a matured student and as a MVTI DBS ukra ewasia from A1 to E8 ni nyina on be foul location Kumasi airport runabout odu ani afa sipe ekwan no so no Kings campus omo hostel facilities from 0244 764797 0244 4797 0249 225504 and we are global ICM and OTHM qualifications ko na kwaji nimde na bibia so enkwe emfama yenkwa homa no so na yenkwadi nkwamo ye ne tano bofakwa esua ehiri pebre omu coach a we semanhia the savior after 16 years wado ma be pm ewo Ghana ye Premier League coach Fuseni Abaka enkwadi nkwamo coach yama good afternoon Aba Sompa yedwumadi so. Hello coach.
Hello.
Yeah coach, good afternoon.
Good afternoon boss.
Sompa 93.1 FM Kumase yamwa emwa kwaba na wie. And now we are dedicated. Congratulations for qualifying Bofakwa to the Premier League after 16 years.
Thank you.
Kwachito ma yamusao tactics by and at the Ramu will play off now against 11 Wonders. The other boy because game in you say Bofu dominate play. Tactics by and out the Ramu boy and come on game nan kasa so e say.
Okay, before make us am tie mo tie fu ni na me mo amoti lo me tie obi a. Me o ka no sa na tie. 11 Wonders team a me ni o mo ye adwuma for the past 4 years. And me be sure call Bofu. And I decided so the call Bofu no the qualification na me wi no ho be hwe o mo match. Intimi hu o mo style of play. O mo dangerous player. More initiative, how they start, how they finish, the chilling na. Until we call in and come up with strategy against a more style of play, or more players, the most important one, the most skillful one, map some strategy against you. You can answer about my myself. I'm more tactical discipline. As you want to show me, the court knows, or more man of Brosso. It's all share, you dominate plays throughout. Go no by first one, penalty by second goal by unfortunately the referee disallowed. And a second half one so maybe equalize and yes I share another goal. Still or disallowed. But it gives near to us the call for more penalties now the team the share.
Coach, game no ekoswa mo share early goal. Na time equalize and buy na edru penalty shootout so na u player diki aseba kono being the coach Edma Bofakwa satam dey na ekoso o trim
Okay, before no media no I go see am say my bomb about so back no. Media so mo kasa so we coach ya man share so kitwe no. Ba hwe de omo ka no se bebo na se emmoa wa. Me ko start yo bofo the second match against DA United. Ye started ball no a penalty. But penalty nya any player ba ko yeden e bo kitwe. See after match no na media man ba ko ba me no ka the coach. Nti ba ye da wuni obi a obo penalty. But to be frank, I mean yes I hear that. Nti me catch say me buy because of tactical no we see nti me yes ejuma. Nti me coach me coffee no say no question no a media man be say am important. Nti say me start here me heavy. Nti ye heavy ma you hu players no you bit ma boni do ntumi mo. Nti me do penalties no me say definitely ya heavy a ye ni mo good no there. O bit ma deliver and omo ye.
Okay. Eye Bofo Akwata no the savior. Owura ye friend Fuseni Abubakar wodi team no e qualify be Premier League after 16 years and eni no edi nkomo. Coach, next penalties ni de na wo gidie ewom na e ba se 11 wonders player no asay no e ba se Bofo qualify no sata moment no me pesa wo share with us. Then na ekoso with them satam say na oni padua na yo say wo di Bofo anya qualification
sa ani jene die maintenance ani jene se de nisitie I say nipa why fasting 16 years no anya aduane nso obe fom pa iti duration de na massive na wo hwe am kra na me hu say de singibility because na my ani je na abroso na je na abroso adine so me to explain how my do say for the past 16 years medicine no qualify about Premier Division.
Okay. Coach, Maya Musa Bofo qualify aba na Ghana pe Football Association Emira no e was a Premier League club bianya coach Ukra Lions A. Per airport HSA Ukra Lions B. Na eba say ya Bofo ebe pe head coach Edinaba na ye tese head coach Baba and assistant. Say Basa, are you ready to work under the head coach and I say obe pake o normal ko?
The Okan sanity the qualification we say in the say metna does out no metna okra as assistant. But ni na so depend on pay for no model ban pay for no omo decision omo dey ba. So omo the coach no ba still ni finya dey. But the only thing they say coach no aba. Me so unsi say omo ne be sisi ama se me bo so dio. And I said manage Sanchez no so there. Why not? If you na international and more be in the abo team na ma yakoye ni bia team de boa. Nti me de mo ho. Omo hihye ni mo ame no be di no na e the way forward.
Now officially management na communicate bibi sa de ato anim.
Okay, need to say the Canadian who our friend actually say the head coach about na head coach but definitely the since I'm qualifying the head coach baba. And the head coach no ba say me welcome na me ne ye adwuma ba ni na so be depend on paying for no. They say head coach ni bi oba or na adwene say or the backroom staff oba. And this or the ba the end say I have to pack my bag and I have to pack my bag. But on what yet to say on him be adwuma. You know so my yet to say me be adwuma. Nti the aka na paying for no say wa beba me ni o mu ntem no. Na be mama hoden ama be dey atena hodi adwuma.
Coach, wonyi ni say eba sa so ana bofofo no wani ni ye. Anka ebi kra suggest say anka wo so mo boa na timi akwai Lances A no na utimi e coach team no Premier League because una nim team no na wonyi ni say eba say omo kofa head coach Edina ba no be na assistant a omo no wani ni ye.
Ajuba no mra no say be no mentini en head coach. The head coach kura be number of matches. Nti na see so no see nim da o meden. ombeye nti definitely sisi ande chi so mokofa obiba nti se di pakono ba dia se me choice me choice me la kasa me no be ya juma David Edi me no be ya juma dan sisi ni na me kana jina management no ho coach akofa head coach aba ni so so abre nti obi a o salary be you see accommodation be see wo hu so mo kasa na nti se ya juma dia ni problem. But the coach also say the backroom staff for bar and mini shaker.
Coach, promises or more demand say mutimi e winni na mo qualifier o mo de be mamono o matimi afọ failing ni na
promise or more demand before the match not there, to be frank. One for free promise, no. But I mean, to me, who say experience of a cafe a coach shows why I didn't sign you way for qualification bonus, and I'll see the may welcome. But I know the young by but promise of the mind the one for free now.
Okay, good. Now, Mami Musa said so far, one of the team now qualify by a division, Premier League from Division 1. Se o toaso se wan toaso a yenim ha wa Ghana Premier League no ne bo sitie e bi free Division 1 ba o mu ntimi no o mo sa akọ bofo se na mbe fa so a bifu team no department bay and na ofi se mo strengthen wa e beboa
the woman say department no dey e be tin bi e be 1 2 3 4 5 bi so o she team na me hye no a our first team no dey udi omugina mu a obi a excellent no we team is kakra so a kakra omo metuma abo no so ye kakra bi it is a team is strong there say enya good team equally good bench and the team no hide ayedin they say me my advice no say omo maintain core of the team so omo sanya another good bench so we ni how we beat so omo ye no sa na support no omo de no aye no omo ma ye dia inshallah timi no o metu no ball kwa ni bidiri.
Coach ya do sinema me busa say si a manyante say wo tachman na namboa
okay
say si asa wo tachman
ba try si am tachman
na wa free tachman ya wo de bofo yi wo ma free mu okwa ese na kuro no wo ka mo
okay the only a situation on the ground or the Nububefu, but the Unimu to the or congratulating. Simple because team no many of my 5 years. And a team no call relegation, no minimum coach be any or men make a first team no 11 wonders no. And team is a break by apostles by or man 4 by unit no by but because of wonders in the catch almost many or more than our contract. But all of a sudden we see as a mark of the college coach woni omo ye adwuma definitely omo need be service nti bofo ba ye no ana me de me call nti se woni me say omo reject me na bofo be fa me call na me omo qualify ya ni kwa say obufu ye say ma nye me tell say me ja won so akọ e say last season ye bo league no kran till end of the league no kran be 4 by me no be kasa wie nso me ja ye e continue ye nti say unim situation on the ground, they are looking at me, but who situation on the ground, I will be congratulating me. And of course, we will teach you.
Now, I'm Chromusa and Crofom Wanichi.
Me already know me, I'm a TC for more. Me, Musa. And she said, oh, yeah, man, I tell you, when you want to be who will be, sir. Let me teach you what I'm trouble there.
Coach, we said you better ask say we oje Brenner Sompa 93.1 din komo e shoot out dwumadi so.
Me dama se ni adwuma pa mo magana man. Na me shram anya mo kafi.
Eso da se. Enu ye coach Fuseni Abubakar bofa kwa tano omo head coach on na de omo ba eye Premier League no playoff odo omo ewini ye ono an side omo boss season ni nyina abofo say Division 1 omo sha so omo first game ya na edene so mbe wini eso otime buae emo mu wini first season with bofo ɛna ɔde ɔmonya a promotion to the Ghana Premier League no ɛna ɛkɔ ne kodi nkɔmɔ sɛ de playoff na ɛkɔɔyɛ ɛne so far no ma hodo bi a asisi ɛwɔ team no deɛ ɛbɛboa club no ho nkɔmɔ ɛna ɛkɔdi yɛ na yɛ ka kyerɛ sɛ pomo tomato mix woyɛ obi a woyɛ aduane woyɛ atɔn woyɛ adi pɛ sɛ waduane no ɛtu hwa waduane yɛ akɔ no waduane no yɛ da ɛno ano sɛ ɔnsa bɛka pomo tomato mix ɛno no yɛwɔ deɛ wɔ konkom yɛwɔ deɛ wɔ ɛyɛ sachet mu a ɛyɛ kama wobɛtumi ate kakra na de bi ahyɛ fridge mu ɛma aduane no yɛ da nkasa media de biam ɛna ma wɔhɔhoɔ ani ka kurom ɛno nti sɛ wopɛ sɛ wokunu ani gye waduane wokunu adamfo wo nsa no yɛ ne da ɛno ano sɛ wobɛnya pomo tomato mix na aboa ma bibia so ayɛ kama wokɔ supermarket bia mu a wo nsa ɛbɛtumi aka bi na ɛno so nsɛm no yɛnhwɛ Ghana sesem no ka sɛ Ghana Football Awards no nominees no ɛnya ababɔnte aba bɛto dwa na sei na nominees no esi ɛte yɛnhwɛ Best African International nominees no sei na site yɛwɔ Victor Osimhen ono Bodman Napoli from Nigeria and Riyad Mahrez ono Manchester City from Algeria Mohamed Salah ono so from Egypt or Bodman Liverpool omo and Best African International nominees no de tie eno no na yensamra mo female team of the year eno so nominees no say eno so esi etie eno urama ampem dakoa ladies enya nominations also Hazakes ladies ena Black Princesses omo eno ma nominate omo yenhwe women footballer of the year eno so nominees no say ena esi etie ohwe eye women footballer of the year eno no yewo Stella Nyameche ewo na yɛhwɛ ne de normal guna kom okay me bacho we yewo bacho mo post mame Stella Nyameche ewo Mary Amponsa ene yewo Princess Owusu ene yewo Priscilla Adubia ewo ena Blessing Shan okay Blessing Shan so enya nomination omo NSA ba women's footballer of the year nominees no ena yedama onipa numa omo nominate omo no na yenwuram ewo women's team coach of the year eno so no yenhwe nominations no ene Yusuf Bazigi ewo Hazakes ladies Joseph Akem ono so Army ladies coach ena Joe Nana Adakwa Ampem Dakwa ladies omo so coach no ono so enya nomination ena yenhwe male team of the year nominees no male team of the year nominees no eno so yenhwe na me ba cho momfa we no mame ansa eba women home based footballer of the year women's home based footballer of the year eno so mom yenhwe nominations no me bacho mom yenko no ansa ne aba ha eno no Stella Nyameche ewo ena yewo Mary Amponsa ena yewo Comfort Yeboa ena Princess Owusu omo ena women's home based footballer of the year eno omo nominees eno no yenko mema no male team of the year eno so no yenhwe nominees no male team of the year nominees no mema ne de no moma yenhwe eno no male team of the year nominees no yewo Bofakwata no Mediama ena Bechem United eno ediete sansuna men's coach of the year nominees no eno so say NCT momenhwe eno no ye Ibrahim Tanko ewo Black Matthias saso ene yewo Johnson Smith Nations FC ena Evans Adute Mediama omo ena Pre Johnson Smith the Nations aba bi PMO Premier League no saso na Black Matthias omo call for African Under 23 Championship for Paris na so ena Evans Adute obeso Mediama mu no obana no man koyi but it's a league no or de omo edge eno so de tie no yenhwe most vibrant club eba social media eno so yenhwe nominees no ye Asante Kotoko Accra to Folk Legon Cities Hazakes ladies and Dreams FC omo ena so far ya nominate omo ese omo most vibrant club on social media nominees eso eno no yenhwe goalkeeper of the year eno so yenhwe nominees no na goalkeeper of the year ye Joseph Ado ewo Diana ɛne Felix Che Mediama ɛna Lawrence Atizigi ɔne yɛ St Gallen obekwa se Uremo 6 Switzerland on nya a goalkeeper of the season nti Ghana your football awards no wanya nomination as a goalkeeper of the year eno e de tie eso eno no so far CEO of the year eno so momi enhwe CEO of the year nominees no ye wo eye Twumasi Dankwa ono Nations FC ena Gifty or Worry ono so ewo eye Perry Ladies Berry Ladies and Moses Ama eso ewo Mediama I'm the CEO of the year and then a footballer of the year home-based footballer of the year and also momo yanhwe memanum eno ye Hafiz Konkoni Obecham United Sedu Bassett eso ewum and your Vincent Atinga Mediama and your Samson Eduku ena Abranta Bednagu Tete Zlatan eso enya nomination enu ye de tie no ye de goalkeeper ba ye de bibia so e de ba so far nominations no de tie no na ye nwrom wo club issues mu kakra na ye nhwe Karela United omso do nominations aba for a player of the season Karela United omurem a omu players omu nominate for the player of the season Jawo Ebenezer Okran or in the position or midfielder so far games so about 24 wa assist L3 MVP wenya baako and yewo Abdul Jaya Rahman the position or defender so far about 21 games wa she goal baako wa assist baako MVP wenya 2 and yewo Emmanuel Owusubuache the position or winger about 25 games this season and a goals wa she 5 wa assist 8 MVP wenya 3 and yewo Evans Adumako Redu ono so no ni position where forward games for about 20 was 6 goals was assist for MVP wanya 2 Jawo Muhammad Hamid ono so no ni position where midfielder so far 28 games and wabo was assist for MVP wanya baako and Abdul Karim Aye ono so no winger wabo 18 games was 2 goals was 66 and MVP wenya 3 eno ediete aye dimam ya kotoko players anom so di asa wo gym omukọ gym no eduba bi na se eye oso mu di asa kakra krobia kuma sa sante kotoko players no asa no mu di a wo gym no league no ntimi anye mo di adane asa kotoko players mukwala baba abisu asa and you de tiena Black Matthias yan hwe omaso eni yemfansi ni nyina no so wramo Black Matthias omaso ya uprema na se under 23 African Championship no beto dwa Morocco na omukopie mu ana ombekọ akopie mu Egypt for a training kakra ansa na ombekọ akopie mu Morocco for the tournament omoso atimi akwa akopie mu bibia eso atimi aye kama eno de dawa ye de mamo ewodwumade se omo campa omo ahye ahomboabo ase omo training ahwa ma bia aye kama eno ye coach friend Ibrahim Tanko ne mrante no eno de etie no abedwa fortena se Michael Saribodu wa ha Michael akomia the sports messiah na momfa last season awards no momfa nto so omo hwe ni nyina ne yedi ho enkomo last season said the awards no esi ekoye Ghana Football Awards no said the last season esi koye no ne da so no let's say last season normal pi na koye event no de koye ni de ankoye nyina no mabedwafo wo ha omo behwe no maboa amie di ho enkomo akomi aboko de
nyame adumo oluta bibi aboko
de nyame ase Mickey
Luta
no ma didam
nyame adum bibi
na o special aid so wo chaw na wie ene ye prince say you aid
yeah so wow why is ambulance now wow na emani huna na omukikem wow
emani huna na omukikem wow enu ntina
nepo na omukikem wow
oh na so krametimi akolabo
de bo nya de
je wo kromi ensabi je wo kromi ensabi
onya de wo rap
omudin yamede da hon bosofo mampon
eno ye den
nim ni de
we go to of your crying her wife or bo jai side
na me kiminya day
Mike the last time one I recorded sending the wife
you jai
na they are sending the wife
men
how ho kran kongo to we na school fees
when I'm saying come do ewura no
ura studio na school fees obi wa no anka say oye nkontomponi hwia na de oye enyo yanka sports no na de otu ye
kwasare
na omo pieces P5 common to sensa
I'm not Jimmy Sam
o jai na nye
enye hwe odifo bi enen munyam no kuro
na we Luther King Junior kra be ya de asense
je wo kuro mi nsabi be wa chomi za yenko
Luther my initiative for na wi ne some makwa ba famba Sompa Sports my men sha sim free coach Yusuf Abubakar right for Bofakwata no coach Fuseni
yeah
yes
Senior Abubakar
yes Senior Abubakar Fuseni ne interview and ne I think say it's becoming quite worrying say your best coaches now obenyo omo at the second tier of Ghana football no do na no any license A inti obon ho modia promote team na so oboa e ma team ni team be Premier League just osanso ebra tete pansem atete ba bia sana wetimi anya license A etimi ababe coach as a Premier League coach. I know say club license for to be on my conditional time kakra so betima bibi dey ashe ba nye de bia and it comes with a cost. Say obetina bia na with the amount of money you are actually going to pay with these kind of things and of course with A coaches or more license ni either A, B and if B now person the coach or the Premier League. Now me hear how he feels now. I think it will be very painful say Juma why here for Bofakwata no for 16 solid years na team into me Ghana Premier League. Audio maba ka be anwo asenka obesa e coach aka betena bench di o mabo the Premier League no na afia ba ko wi ase ne ye kwa akofo obi di na ba ma na ba be replace wa. I'm imagine the kind of things that be go through in the mind and how will be feeling kasa mu de utie ne kasa ya mu you might be okay but Luther adu ebe ya o ebe ya pa make us say audio mo qualification edidi atema ye di wo kasa ye kasa ti a wo one anim bra o bre mu ni fa o fa mu away games bi a o call ya emze nyoma ye tutugu so kura piapia o twetwe watade kura nya asem ketwa
na no CEO honorable Alexander
Abebio
betina obutimi so bo na baso pa
and when the Jumedi na wadia and we watch Bofakwata no and the kind of another level of football na mo bona I'm for convinced that this team deserves to be in the Premier League and we a coach in Sano players were hot there. Players do their part, coaches do their part. But only said there's a fingerprint on this particular team available for Fakwata no. Oh, Mujumedi or Moody. And Luther, Ebemeya, say, Fakwata no will have to replace Coach Senu. And the
because the bossa, for problem ma because players no do to na nim no na obi a head coach for beba no be under head coach no. Onyini say bi krombe bunas na bia the head coach.
There are dangers in doing these things. There are two sides of the coin. The other kind, obetima assistant coach to any coach or line say omode ne beba. Obetima players ni betima accept the fact so obey na adwuma. Bibia betima akoye. But the main coach would not feel safe with him being the assistant because nipa su obe feel say me a head coach there but as a nipa atem bia no attention in you now want to see nipa su mesi. How is the head coach going to actually relate to him so a assistant coach or no any team they qualify or no any team they better than all the head coach ebi kura me kasa yɛmfa singu akwama ukuta license area by baka yɛkasa bɔ mu nim de sɛ yɛntena se yɛhyehyɛ coach yɛhyehyɛ tatis yɛhyehyɛ players onim yɛkura kyɛn wo main coach no it about be a threat e de ama main coach no ebetimi destabilize team no.
And the best advice and say compensating normal party.
Number two, also party ways in this. So this is where emotionally the club is so much attached to the coach, and some of the players in this are so much attached to the coach. What about Kakofa player biaba? And that this coach partner to miss a player and the performance here day. What your coach in the it affects the player. I carbon or no, any all of these things. So I have a very dicey situation, and now almost find yourself in making sure so make taking the decision. Maybe a compensation bet my year the amount of money they are called. I felt he's supposed to be part of the backroom staff, but whom be time and time again. Mudin tini etina say whom maybe say do maybe na media mark of a coach be aba na emfa. Media man, Ashasia na no mo bre wo league nim no. De bia akofa main coach be aba na be coach team na ebe kakra na okọ na assistant coach abe take over. eduru maybe na assistant coach na decide say want me to adwuma no so bi mo beja hono makọ ana adote so be fa adwuma na adote so be ya adwuma na de o mo ba beji league this confusion in the person there honorable Alexander Baby mu adwuma ye say on betima find an amicable solution for coach Fuseni Abubakar na ne o makoye dia mama I believe say omunim de they've been there before they'll find a compromise I know say on be come to a conclusion e be ma bofa kwata no ISS league now will be 16 years in the committee me akabu mayaba how much more this I just feel it doesn't destabilize the team and Parame Bwan say destabilize the team someone will be affected ebe you will be there and then will be feeling the pain out of these decisions but the team should come first and these things should move on na abwa mo be team afan to mapa efra ma me moving on to this particular Ghana Football Awards and the ekoso wo hono baby am concern wo pa comes with the local based player of the year. Hafiz Konkoni have been a starman for Bechem United. Probably most of the goals at Bechem United are sharing crucial times in the no bet mark Hafiz Konkoni. And one of the KB and Kabaka say even the Bechem United setup and players only more pray that particular kind of thing. Say at Bechem Crown or more best players, no Francis Trene or Clinton Diodu. But I believe the goals need putting on top and the goals net me more 3 points at crucial stages. Secure some points there. Eddie Amom, he deserves to be there. Then you look at compare me the listeners are to screen this one Maya. Then you move on to Accra Lions where they have Seydou Basit. Me personally Nankasa Yetiano Nankasa no. Me who ni say Seydou Basit na Accra Lions best player. Yes. Aban Samari has been better than Seydou Basit for Accra Lions. Yet now how my GPO player of the week be yet me bobe 3 match days to aso and 4 match days to aso. Now Aba Samari DPM, Aba Samari, MVP Aba Samari, and it was just ongoing. Kebia ka Jacob Amu mensa tenache kakra. Kebe to be considered as part of the best players for Accra Lions. But me am any the Ghana Premier League am any the GPL extra yeah. E wa hase ne there. Personally I felt that Aba Samari should have been the player from Accra Lions to have been there and make sure say they were happy the season no and you bit ma ko yama ne the way ato aso Vincent Atinga for Mediama no credit nyame say Vincent Atinga she goes there or the most scoring defender for Mediama but me so metia no ne nyoma ma hwe about the league and nkomodi dia ye dina 2 players ebeja Vincent Atinga when it comes to top 3 players for Mediama Abdullahi medical of how the Fordro has been very Jonathan Sua has been very crucial for Mediama this particular period. Fordro or the but pick Jonathan Sua. Then no mafa Abdullahi Nuruddin, the centre back. No maba Vincent Atinga. So what I say? No mafa no about Vincent Atinga. Na ono na kamede ne ba be shape. So either Jonathan Sua or Abdullahi Nuruddin should have been there instead of Vincent Atinga for. Samson Eduku has been the limelight of Tamale City. On the Obianu watching Navia. Samson Eduku abon homodi this season, especially in a struggling Tamale City side. Motivation in your 1 year, he's still there fighting for top scorer. I bet Negutete has been one of the biggest difference for Bebianu Go Stars between the first round and the second round. Super signing. Super signing. And he has always been there for Bebianu Go Stars. Yebo first round the record, cut top scorers can't come back negotiate. But Yeba be season on that top. So I believe good list. But there are exceptions about Seydou Basit in the league. Then Vincent Atinga because the number of man of the match awards that Abbas Samari J and Enyebini. Then the number of man of the match awards are Jonathan Su Asosuaji or Media Manusuno. Enyebi Susune Atinga Dieno. And I feel these were players that needed to replace these particular 2 players. I'm not saying Vincent Atinga I'm on morning. Vincent Atinga has been one of the most consistent centre backs in the league. What did I mention as? But in the quest for Mediama winning the league, one player, 2 years, one player and influential will top role in it. Jonathan Sua.
Me da say Michael as Akumia, the sports museum out in Kano. Asari.
Luther.
Young grandma, you know, for quarter no coach, I didn't come out. Yes, also the Ghana Football Awards nominees na Abba.
Wait, awards were man in Nassau. I'm going to be nominees in a 4. I don't know. I was on K5. And when you by sitting film.
Ade.
Sure. You can't home-based footballer of the year. You can't a full football calendar year. Me sure say the Monday morning wa ball Edwin Pempen so be cross over him. I don't think so. Deserve it, sir. And the Ediana play. I don't think point.
Okay.
And about said Bob saying about how consistent has he been to even be part of the nominees? Enough a mention.
Okay.
I say a boy abaso. Now what the yaba bishim said there. Oh manya there. And then to give our league a bit of credence anyway, you see, TRCSA, we will always look at best performing players, even in a difficult season for Legon Cities. Michel Otuma Bobo, they have been very good performers. Oko a year Kotoku Royals, there's Richard Juko. But that's what impact with the twins in Nina where say do Basset the end of them. Award way sank a comeback of the year award and Kedemai Abed negotiated. So be an uncanny that's when you answer. Nay engine is over to my BBC.
Had to focus here who not can fight say
but I think he doesn't. To me personally, there's an opinion. I don't think I was so to me award no on the base of the Oye in the last stretch of a campaign. So what check here? I bet no cut in the tetano. The rise to form I coincided with the decline of BBN Gold Stars. Into goals never don't know any bisa say saying ana DNA Yama Gold Stars.
And fetch more points there.
They were better in the first round of the season. In the second round, they are scoring goals but impact in our form. Clearly, now obeying the Dinefim. The impact of Eduku has been brilliant. He's a goal scorer and the goals no abwa Tamale City. But to what extent? What the measure face when Takunkoni at the same. But how can you now? I think the stand-up performer here is as in Atinga. Atinga had the players of movement in Ayabi. And he does more.
Or she goes.
Yes. Players no movement in Ano. They are known goal scorers. Anameboa. Atinga Ayabi.
Yeah.
That is why he's a top scoring defender in the Ghana Premier League. And no fluke. See a both season. Na England Lampard shares your goals no pair top scorer na omo wa and say midfielder or pair top scorer. This is a defender. And for the wayama mediama ni na no osanso be chire beboa. So mediama are not winning the league because they are the best scoring side, but because they have the perfect balance between scoring and not conceding. And Atinga is at the heart of it. On the leader at the back. Nuruddin excellent. But Nuruddin bebo born nebe kuya. The only neighbor.
Yeah.
Tama yekofa ne manja village bebo Manchester United no. Bo bebo no se befa. Rio Ferdinand. Wow. And Atinga has been able to prove that he's a solid team player. So open with Nuruddin Abdullah. Efa. Individually he's a standout because he has performed on several occasions more than the Nuruddin Aye. Then with the goals that he scored. So I think that's who he will be power or dance way more. It should be Vincent Atinga. And then there's all Modemano. A man there no. Home-based female footballer. No more from Master Lanyameche.
Ade.
The young girl is brilliant. On the captain, Princess Isiyama Moje Wafu, inaugural edition and 20. No? Then Dreams. So we'll check the point builder between Dreams and Azakes ladies. A point back up. Just 1 point. And Azakes, no a known face. Man football no. Or the two Dreams. Stella Ameche was at the take of affairs. She was involved, crucial. Edema Dreams ladies. Abraham Komoya League no. For the first time in their history. This was a team that was struggling some 2-3 seasons ago. Now, they nearly won a man or zone a women's Premier League. Stella Nameche deserves the mention. But so no na Princess Owusu is because Princess Owusu has had an individually stellar career on a top scorer. Unfortunately, Fabulous Ladies scored relegation. But individually, Senipa Baku Tunu was or J Club. If any individual effort in the team is saving Fabulous and Komakim. But teammates never do one to me.
Yansha or that future star.
Now we no comfortable solid defender. So share a year and pem da for now. The original 200 then also about a year Black Princesses. The Marianne Ponsa there, she needs little introduction. Obi or her be deserve, but I think Stella Nyameche should get the accolade.
Na mama hwe Odati Lamte Future Star Award na me linkin to a Stella Nyameche de ya na wo kan ya. Because as a baby no nya no.
She's in there exactly. And Nyameche yeah brilliant. Omo mo ani na no Princess Owusu no. Me say mon fam ani nkonkwohwe no.
Okay.
Princess Owusu no or Strike My Fabulous. Mon fam ani nkonkwohwe na keke. Oye ye kasa obi ye go monga, we ye proper go monga. Luther, ni team are waje top scorer. Back to back on a top scorer of Money League nim last 2 seasons last season.
Wow.
And your fluke. Or you never could be because a flash in the pan a trim. Why are the back to back, pa to pa? Proper goal monger. Kobo team Kasebi, a Yazakes leads an ampem da kwa. Imagine the impact. And as Nyama, or your ball before.
Why your ball
before.
Ade.
Akodane diagro papa. And that is how come a properly na show. Her projection no. Yebako World Cup he was in the fray. Michael Listen suggested a champion for because of the who we won our noise talent. Then a properly na Black Meteors now Black Stars. Nekariana has seen a progressional rise. Econonym. Oh, we need the best player in the Danish Super League. Denmark CSC players need nano because not the money brand in so on the basis of competition now obono now the compare Stella Nyameche anyway more I didn't say on my gap kese pa but when you see Future Star Award no I consider all other factors prevailing. I think say Mano play in a less privileged league with very limited facilities to develop and be like someone like Ernest Miyama.
Okay.
And to me, on the base of Future Star, and Miyama is already a star. I think that either of Owusu or Nyameche and Omonfa Momo. You see, I have had a particular way for affinity for mana game after getting close. Uti almost stories na Luther. SFM. But to go through such struggles, challenges, not just to play and give their all. Share or baby or both football or Ghana hebiano. Luther, he has special commendation. And that form. Time somebody born and that form. Then the mobile film crash, Kasa no de coffee. Ediane be no di.
Oh.
Hey, Azakes girl if it house. Yakubu. Wawo baako. Sika say no nye frame. But she's able to play a role as a mother and play a role as a footballer. It's exemplary. So their girls they deserve the mention. And that's an Nyama Nyario. Me friend no ball before. Nyama no obo papa. Ball no onim ball. But these girls, conditions prevailing in the Oma fame no. I think that say abasubodi bi basa na me special bias because so omumu binya. So that a best show moon crying.
Okay. Matiwas.
Where a Future Star, your best player.
Yeah.
And the Future Stars ana. Dia wo fe mu a wetimi dia do mpempenso a wadri. Na say kakrebi e de ma no. Hwe de odia e. And the amount do na you can do better than you have contributed. So clearly, and until I make prema man say Anko Munyano. And then say Ghana they no home base player na we dey buy. Na Ghana they no best player way. Omo betimi am fa Ghana best player.
Monfa Ghana best player.
Mares ne Suarez Salah ne we mu din di wo. Enti Ghana best player no e mema no omo ye ne sen. Nanka ye nhwe ye hu de e beko.
But Monfa to so na ye nhwe.
Yeah, omo nya the first time.
Monfa to so
na there be way home based footballer of the year. Me pe Ghana footballer of the year na Ghana football awards no. The Ghana footballer of the year nominees if they have it omo fantasy say omo fantasy on fama me na me hwa de. Yeah fast ne twatum because I want to know omo this year as Ghanaian footballers for mabo omo ho modern and the kind of nominations because me person me hwe trend bi for previous editions of this award you should trend be until I crowd or obey me there too so anyway okay no problem let's pause. I will bring it tomorrow then we'll get to analyze it but the fact is that Luther these award schemes anyway we do it to encourage talent and encourage progress. Say na be on be ba almost betimi apagya dia ko mani ma me fans so coach Fuseni I think that wa born home den be ma be ye bi wa nye ni nyina but I was all tia say dwumedie na o di no so ye won krata asema ye de di hu dwuma sanye sebe obi entimi nsore en nante nkonkodu Bank of Ghana no nka se me ba be ye dwuma wa se krata asema e ma ho kwan sana coaching so tie. We are taking the game from a certain level to another level. And that is the era of professionalism. Now, as a professional, he should know what is best for his career path. Me, I am na tu never so on number 4 and I say uncle. I dear boy, the kind now only needing come say terms no favor no.
Okay.
Say omo de offer to nim na omo de obi ba na terms ni favor na because one coach na oba no any coach we no. Coaches believe in a certain football principle or certain football mindset. Ebi away no hu ni say ne ball no say na tie ana kwan say no offer so. Coach foforo no so beba no ono so be hu say oh ball ne de yembo mfa benkum nko a ba we de ne yemfimfin. Enti clearly Luther say ohwe na coach obeba no enya de obi obetimi aboa ema de ono ehwehwe wo football mu nsa kan. He should take a decision that favors him. It should strictly be a professional decision. Mostly I am acquiring so personal. Men am a qualified team no.
But my find some na
ubisa. Ya nanko abobo. Men am a medi team na qualify na ya odie intimejai. The decisions to solely be professional, not personal. Oya ne sa ebebo no ane career because football no nkoja obeja ho ene ochina you might come back. So you only leave when you close the door gently. Don't slam it shut. And yes sir, I'm gonna call back a problem.
Eba Ghana, a footballer of the year nominees now, 2023 senior city. Kudus Mohammed, Ayas, and your Joseph Pencil, Genk, and your Abdul Samad Salis, and also Lons. Amomians.
I don't know man
Joseph Pencil.
The Biana no man in Numna, Omokoye home base Ninum. Because I think Enes Nyama should be here.
Okay.
Thomas Partey should be here. Enes Nyama. I also bim Thomas Partey also on so can nominate no for your footballers of the year. And I never nyadre.
Aye.
Okay, Kudus wa JDN. So Okas OBGBB Kudus JDN. I has failed to make the Champions League.
On G League.
He was a top performer for Ghana at the World Cup. No year way. So individually he was brilliant. The same applies to Partey. Individually, he had a very good season. Almost season but he had a very good season as part of the Arsenal setup. And on the co-raise is our comparison by say Partey Casemiro, when they are there, Partey Rodri. This season debates any year and as Miyama while nominating as the future star of the year. Then what happens to him getting a mention because he won awards for North Zealand. They nearly won the Danish Superliga. They lost it with 2 weeks to end the Danish campaign. League, 2 weeks and lose league title. And he was at the forefront. And it is a money merited future star. The money the same way merits nomination for Ghanaian Player of the Year.
Me da say Mickey.
And I'm say yeah trend in the I say yeah ni narrow B, yeah B5, yeah B3. We should always be open and then embrace all. But I think it's still a good initiative. Yeah, more mabaso.
Me da say, Ebrana Suede Juma de ni sinemum Abeheba Clinic Adaroma, and ya di shootout on the brew. Abeheba Clinic sebra. Ya de bia adokro, ya de bia ya kunanko, ya de bia de chinchina breno. Oba obe tu ase de ama. Ebibi dro and what desire de say I wanna ope obema ni esua emanu ano mo sere. Bema de onyo oba pia na mampa nkasa na mfifire mfiriu. Yes, I on best through the bia Southern hepatitis, diabetes, malaria, Nina no, Odo ni chimo Abeheba Clinic or Bellboy, bicycle cell there, gun how Dumbofua. Oh, Kumasitano Swapa Trap a new site or Beapa Trapa Junction. Feno 0243 345392 0243 345392 0506 460208. Freno, Nakuna Koya Sana Bibianya come. Yes, sorry, I'm a name nim Jumadino. Atwaso de ama DJ Tofiakwa. And then upon 40 Michael Saribodunka, Michael Akumia the sports museum, Midin, Eddie Lutek in production on a Nas, and Ricardo Varas, Prince, Omne Boy Medino, Ebro, Yakrao.
madam mami ni konkonsa kakra bi a na wife abebie fridge no mu ayi drink bi a ɛwɔ bottle nkitenkite bi mu afɛkyerɛ hɔ aperitivo bit ɛna ne namfo no mabɛsra no a wɔnom ɛnum gya me no drink no akono wo se afra ne sɛn aperitivo bitter and efiri Italy alcohol nim spices fruits ɛna herbs ɛna wɔde ayɛ
bɛɛma odi nkonkonsa aperitivo bitter ebi ni otom
sɛ wata ha ya ye madam we de facha me na man kan ye kura aperitivo bitter a trimenum na menye